We divide 608 by 4 in long division method. 4 times 1 is 4. On subtracting we get 2. So this 2 is less than 4. So we put down this 0 and it is 20. 4 times 5 is 20. On subtracting we get 0. So now we have remaining this 8 which we put down, and 4 times 2 is 8. On subtracting we get 0. So 608 divided by 4 is 152. So this much for today, and thanks for watching.